Here's new interesting app called GUU, the Buy It Politics and Shop Political Purchasing Power. So here it is. So what's the idea of the app? Uh, so you can make your purchasing decisions based on which party you support. So Americans inadvertently donate three times more to politicians and PACs through their purchases than they donate on purpose. Let's change that. uh, Goods Unite Us is a women-led Madison, Wisconsin-based company with a well-established track record. Enter a company brand name, and we'll tell you what we know about the political donations made by the organization and its senior employees. So that's what it is. If you want to buy some brand, do some purchase, you enter the name here, and this app using API, so there are data telling you where this senior management and employees of this organization are donating to. So that's what it is. Let's check it out. So, for example, here are some brands, and then you from the beginning, for example, Abercrombie and Fitch, you can see donation distribution goes to Democrat. Other brands you can also see here. You can see how many views is that, and yeah, so that's, and then you can just go and discover, or you can just go and search in here. Yeah, like Target. So for example, I want to go in Target 50/50, and then this company has halted all PAC donations to both parties. So that's what it is. McDonald's, okay, 59% Republican, and reviews, politicians. So that's what it is here. I don't know where they get in this data or what is the process here, but that's just what you can see here. And then you have your profile, you can create your profile, and yeah, so there you have it.